very excited today as I'm going to unbox Apple Pencil, Hypersmart Portfolio and iPad Pro. I don't know if you guys can feel the excitement in my voice. Okay, so first I'm going to unbox Apple Pencil, which is second generation. It is wireless pen designed by Apple, used to write, draw or mark up. So let's unbox it and I will show you. And here it comes. Wow, it's so beautiful. I just love the white color. You can draw and sketch with it easily. It features a flat edge that attaches magnetically for automatic charging and pairing. Now next is Hypersmart Portfolio. It provides front and back protection and also allows for convenient wing angles. Now let's unbox it and I will show you. It's pure black matte. No charging or no pairing is required, which is the best thing about this keyboard. All you have to do is attach the keyboard and start typing. Now last but not the least is iPad Pro, which is 4th generation. Now let's unbox it and I will show you. This is the 1TB edition, the 12.9-inch Wi-Fi and cellular version. It has two different configurations. There's the Wi-Fi and the cellular version. There are two different sizes, 11 and 12.9-inch, and this one is 12.9-inch, which I have right here. It has two cameras, so there's now a wide angle lens on this.